Our factory founded in 1992.
Kita kali ini kedatangan tamu dari Kinte. Kita mau sedikit bertanya-tanya tentang keunggulan dari mesin Kinte itu apa. Ya.
We have this good chance to introduce our company, Wuhan Kinker, to our good customer. Our factory founded in 1992. So almost 33 years, we are focused in production in rice polisher only. In our factory, we only produce rice polisher. So far, our product, we are focusing production, and our polisher has some advantage. Firstly, durable. Secondly, we have a very good polishing effect. And the third, and this is also very focused. China factory, we focus on lower broken rate. So we hope we can have a good cooperation